Stuck on what to do about your money when you travel? You've heard about Monese, but what about those travel money cards you see advertised everywhere? Are they the same? Is one better than the other? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about travel money cards. Think of them like a prepaid phone. You load a specific amount of money onto the card, often in a specific currency like euros or US dollars, before you go. This can be great for budgeting, since you can only spend what you've put on the card. You can even lock in an exchange rate to avoid any nasty surprises if the currency fluctuates. However, travel money cards can have some drawbacks. They might have a bunch of different fees, for loading money, for ATM withdrawals, or even for inactivity. Plus, they aren't always accepted for things like car rentals, and they don't have the same consumer protection as a credit card. So, where does Monese come in? Monese is a digital account and a card, but it's much more than just a prepaid card. It's a full multi-currency account. You can hold and manage your money in multiple currencies all from one app. With Monese, you can receive your salary, pay bills, and use it just like a regular bank account. This gives you a lot more flexibility than a simple travel card. When you spend abroad, your Monese card automatically uses the best exchange rate, so you don't need to preload different currencies. You just spend, and it converts the money for you. And when it comes to fees, Monese has different plans, but even the free plan can offer good value. For example, the more premium plans offer fee-free foreign currency spending and a generous allowance for ATM withdrawals. Compare that to a travel card where you might be charged for every single transaction. In short, a travel money card is a tool for a specific task, spending a preset budget on a trip. Monese, on the other hand, is a complete financial solution that makes global spending part of a seamless banking experience. It's for people who want more than just a travel card. They want an international account that works everywhere they go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.